Hi all. Today in this session, we will check how we can filter some data that is available from the source, how we can filter the data in data flow. So in the last session, we created this particular data flow. So the select to has the data something like this. We have the customer ID and the customer name and address related information. And this is the state and the country. Yeah. So now suppose I want to see the data. So here we have 417 records. Now suppose I want to see the data for only California. I want to filter the data only for the California data. So what I can do, I can click on this plus sign to filter the data. I can click on this plus sign. And if you scroll down, I will see a row modifier that is a filter. So if I click on this filter, so the incoming source will be the select to. So this is my source. So that is what is selected. And then go to open expression builder. Go to input schema. I want the state. I want to go to state. Let me see what the data is for California. Yeah, let me just copy this. Go to filter once again. Filter. Now let's refresh it. So here you can see wherever the state province is California, that particular column is ticked out. That means it is passed. It will float. It will pass that particular record to the output. Here we have a different state province. So you can see that it is cross marked. That means this record will not flow to the output. So let me click on save and finish. And let's go to data preview once again. Click on refresh. So here we can see 65 records are pulled. In select 2, we had in select 2 we had 100 records, but in filter we have 65 records. So we checked how we can do a filter on the records based on our need using data flow filter option. I hope it is helpful. If it is informative, then please like and share the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.